Hello friends, in this video I will show how to change page color in MS Word correctly. So click on this design tab and here is the option page color. So you can select any color. Also you can select standard colors. Here guys you can set in more color. In fill effect you can select gradient, one color, two color or preset, horizontal, vertical. Fill effect and preset colors, early sunset or late sunset, nightfall, daybreak, horizon, desert. Also you can select texture. Here is the preview. Pattern. So this way you can change and you can set background color in Microsoft Word. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you and please share, like and subscribe this channel.